Bambo Nature skin and eco-friendly nappies are designed to offer supreme protection against leakages and skin irritations. See why babies and parents all over the world love our nappies. Bambo Nature nappies are designed with super absorbent channels that quickly distribute and absorb urine in the core to keep your child's skin dry. Barriers retain the urine, and the leg cuffs secure a soft and snug fit to minimize the risk of leakages. A handy wetness indicator turns blue when your child pees and lets you know when it's time for a change. And the soft, breathable back sheet allows the skin to breathe and prevents the skin from overheating. The inside of the nappy is made of soft, skin-friendly materials designed to provide a comfortable fit. Our nappies are super thin and flexible to make sure that your child feels ready to explore the world. Made in Denmark with carefully selected skin and eco-friendly materials, and certified by several health and eco labels. Bambo Nature, performance that you can rely on.